Welcome to Health Steps 24/7. I'm Chris, your social media pharmacist. Today's topic is how to measure your blood pressure at home. When choosing a room to measure your blood pressure, ensure that the room is comfortable and also quiet. The room should not be too hot or too cold. Do not smoke, use coffee, or exercise for at least 30 minutes before your blood pressure is taken. Use the washroom, empty your bladder before taking your blood pressure. Before taking your blood pressure, relax for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Use a comfortable chair to take your blood pressure. Your back should be well supported with your feet flat on the floor. Your arm that you will be using to measure your blood pressure should be rested comfortably on the table. When measuring your blood pressure, position the cuff in the middle of your arm so that it's at heart level. Ensure that a cuff you will use to measure your blood pressure fits your arm size properly. Before taking your blood pressure, the arm that you will be using to measure your blood pressure should be bare. So if you're not wearing a sleeveless top, roll up your sleeve to expose that arm. Place the blood pressure meter on preferably a table with the front facing you. When using a manual oscillatory blood pressure monitor to measure your blood pressure, ensure that a cuff covers 75 to 100% of the circumference of your arm. If you're using an electronic blood pressure monitor to measure your blood pressure, ensure that you follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer when fitting the cuff around your arm. When taking your blood pressure, do not talk during or between blood pressure measurements. Take 3 blood pressure measurements at 1-minute intervals. Therefore, take a 1-minute break between each blood pressure measurement. When recording your blood pressure measurements, the readings you will use would be an average of the last 2 blood pressure measurements. Therefore, you will use an average of the last 2 upper readings, also called the systolic blood pressure, and the last 2 lower readings, also called the diastolic blood pressure, to record your blood pressure. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. Join me next time for more healthy lifestyle videos. Bye for now.